If you want to trade like a rebel, you got to come to RebelCon 2022. It's going to be in Dallas, Texas, at the fabulous Four Seasons Resort. It will be more fun and more live trading than we've ever done before. That's why it's called RebelCon 2022. We're going to have barbecues and double the amount of live trading. The guest speakers, as soon as we announce those, this thing's going to be sold out, limited to 250 people. Sign up now for RebelCon 2022 at the Four Seasons in Dallas, Texas.
Welcome to the Rebellion.
Welcome back, folks. I am John Najarian, and this is 3 at 3. 3 at 3 for the 11th of August, 2022. And we try to bring you the best unusual activity that we've spotted that day. Believe it or not, our full subscription product has in the neighborhood of 25 to 30 new trades every day. Not everybody, including me, trades every single one of those trades. Some people really like the biotech. Some people really like tech. Some people don't want to get anywhere near tech, and they're just trading the best readings we get for ETFs and so forth. But I would say that we have multiple hits of multiple sectors every single day. Sometimes it's calls, which we say is bullish, and the other times they are puts, which we declare are bearish bets. If you're somebody just trading stocks, well, you'd trade in the bullish or bearish direction. Again, calls would be a bullish or a buy, and puts would be bearish or a sell. Let's get started with today's 3 at 3, beginning with Upstart. So we just told you about this one. Upstart, they bought 7,200 of those August 35 calls. As part of how we describe what we do, if there's not a number in front of August, so in this case, it just says nothing, just regular August 35s. That means it's the third weekly expiration in August. That's the way most options used to expire up until the very recent future when we started getting weekly options. So Upstart is an AI for lending. The stock has been hammered down from 350 or 400 bucks to less than 30, but it started to make a comeback. And we saw that Upstart in particular at 30 bucks represented a nice potential shot. And so we took a look and said, okay, it got up to 35.45 today, folks. So I'm showing you this, even though it's down on the day now, still $3 higher nearly than where it was, $2.30 higher than where it was just days ago. But it got all the way up to 35.45 today. These were short-term options. So I always emphasize that you have to take your profits quickly on short-term options. You have to cut your losses just as quickly. Now, this is a profitable trade, but if you didn't exercise that discipline of taking profits, well, shame on you. Because I can't pull the trigger for you. You have to decide if you want to be a bigger pig or if you want to take some money off the table. And I always encourage with these short-term trades to take the money off the table quickly. That's what I did. I am out of the trade now. Bang. Rebel's Edge. Just finished doing another Rebel's Edge live with my brother Pete. We do them Monday, Tuesday, and Thursdays at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Encourage you to join us for that. Remember, you can always just go to YouTube. If you miss the live broadcast on Twitter or YouTube, go to YouTube. On the upper right-hand corner, on the search bar, type Market Rebellion, upper right-hand corner, click subscribe, and click that little bell next to it. That means you'll get a notification every time there's a new video up, so you'll never miss one. I think they're entertaining. It's been widely heralded by many that tell us all the time how much they like it, and I'd encourage you to check it out. Again, They're all up there on YouTube. We don't take them down, so you can look and see how it's looked over the last several weeks, several months that we've been doing these. And it's only going to be expanding and getting bigger, folks. So check it out. The Rebel Edge, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. All right, here's Varus. This is, I believe, a vaccine maker. They've got some success lately with some of their COVID treatments. And VERU was $12, as you see on the top of the screen there. Then it was $12.50, and they were buying September 10 calls. Then they were buying September 15 calls and so forth. We bought calls in here when it was $12. Today, it traded to nearly $18 a share. Bang. So in other words, up $6 from where we first got in just on the 3rd of August. The 4th of August, we added to the position, and the position has worked out like a charm. So with it up this much, and again, using your discipline, taking some profits, you're a very happy camper if you have done both of those two things. Just keeps getting better for Nutrien NTR. I'm out, but those of you who are still in, God bless you, because it's up another 2% today. It was just up 1.33% a little bit ago, just showing you that, hey, a week ago, it's an $82 stock. Now it's a $92 stock. Bang. Again, these are the reasons that you want to follow unusual activity and then be disciplined about cutting losses and taking profits. Rivian, how about this one? We just did this one, and Rivian, RIVN, 36.66. That's $36.66. They were buying tomorrow expiration 37 calls. Well, traded to $39.08, nearly $40 a share. And I hope to be talking about this one, about what a winner this one has been, folks, because it has exploded to the upside. And if it caps out right here at 40, bang, because all my short calls are now the 40 calls, and that'll be just fine by me. RebelCon 2022, Pete and I will be there. Brian Sullivan will be there. Tony Dwyer will be there. Tom Lee will be there. We have a huge lineup. Bryn Talkington, a whole bunch of great people that are in the markets every day, not just people that talk about it. People that actually manage money will be there talking about how they trade. You'll meet a bunch of other great traders that are probably in the similar position to you. And I think it's a great way to learn. 2 days of live trading, a whole bunch of education, a lot of fun times, dinners and everything. Check it out, marketrebellion.com/Dallas. We're nearly sold out. marketrebellion.com/Dallas. When you go there, you'll see we just added the virtual seats. Why? Because we're nearly sold out. So make sure that if you would like to attend in person, click and sign up now, because the virtual seats are already selling for the people that are too far away or not able to travel that day. And I would encourage you, if you can be there in person, come join us. marketrebellion.com/Dallas. All right, 3 trades. Let's go fast. IWM, bearish puts. It was roughly $200, call it 199. 10,000 of the August puts change hands at the, there we go, 195 put strike. So just $3.50 out of the money, beneath the market, where the market's trading, beneath the market, because these are puts. So I'm buying at the money puts, selling out of the money puts, lower strikes against it. That's the way I trade, whether it's calls or puts, 1-to-1. That's the way I trade. Second one, ARK. Somebody's betting that Kathy Woods has more pain coming. Ouch. Bearish puts. This is our innovation ETF, ARKK. 26,000 of the October 51 puts change hands. That's 21,000. That's 26,000 rather, 2.6 million share equivalent of the October 51 puts. That's a lot of puts, folks. Keep an eye on that. And if you're a stock trader, that means might be time to lighten up or even get a short position on. But again, that's up to you. Third and final of the 3 at 3 is Pfizer, PFE. They bought 25,000. That's 2.5 million share equivalent of the November 50 calls. November 50 calls. That's just above the market by $1.10. Doesn't take a lot to get there. And somebody puts down 2.5 million shares equivalent. I want to follow those trades. That's exactly what I have done. Check out marketrebellion.com/get started to learn more about trading puts, calls, spreads. Make sure you go there, check it out if you're somebody who's wanting to learn and wants to expand your knowledge about derivatives. Great place to do it. marketrebellion.com/get started. I'm going to get going now, folks. I hope you enjoyed today's show. Please let us know and enjoy the rest of your evening.